MeghalayaPost.news.
Hadian bawai naki area commander WKH HNLC na West Coast Hills ulawan Wan Pyndem yeladi hagi pulit kejela bawa Prestone tensong kum menteri ketenat ke kampo yang kejela berbadai ru sembut menteri ke surkar jela ula ong bau area commander WKH HNLC ulawan dala dia Wan Pyndem hakmat ki pulit kejela bersyan kin sayo ya kejingtip ke babnya halor kani kejingwan Pyndem bat kiwei ki balayo ban kem da ki pulit ula ong ru bagani kejingwan Pyndem u area commander kadai kelenti ke babahatam bat ula kerpar ru ya kiwei ki Dkhot HNLC bamaki ru kin board ya kani kenuksa ban Wan Pyndem syaka imlang kesalang kumlale dauniu area commander ulang ru baka surkar ke pedang subha yaki bakin Wan Pyndem syaka imlang kesalang baru nakaliang ke surkar ke kloiru banai ke jingeda habaki lawan ban Pyndem yeladi ban turai nak benta ke imlang kesalang ulang ru bahadu menta ke jingkhang kadang pli ki bawan syaka mi jong ke jingya kran badia kani ke syong hakamon ke jongki susu laban rap ru de kabong baka surkar ke don banyaram yaki bat ke surkar ke penseluruh yaki ban Wan Pyndem syaka imlang kesalang kumbalong hadu menta ba Prestone tensong syam labatai bania halor ke jinglong jingman ke HNLC hadian balawan Pyndem area commander banakam ta jingtip ka bakam bnia ki pulit na headquarter kin saai ke jingtip ka bakam bnia halor kan ke jingwan Pyndem area commander bat kiwei ki balasha akem
say the detail of surrender will be sent to you officially. I think sometimes maybe within 3-4 hours, and you'll get all the detail from PHQ, from the police headquarters. But yes, it is true that one area commander of the HNLC, who is also very, very active, he surrendered to the police force, and his name also you will be known. And so let us see the next course of action will be accordingly taken. But my appeal to other cadres of the HNLC also can follow the same footsteps like made by the one who has just surrendered a few hours back, to kindly join with us to the mainstream. This is my only appeal to other members.
Sir, can you give us
surrendered any arms or ammunition, sir?
Well, I will not indulge in any kind of detail right now, as I said to you, because the official statement will come out from the police headquarters. That also I will not deliberate much, but as I said to you, I think this time we are able to even pick up few of them. So let us see, and then as I said to you, you will be informed accordingly today from the PHK. Well, the peace talk till today, the door is not closed yet. The door is still open, be it from the government of India or be it from the state government. We are open to that talk again. So we leave it to their, because the ball right now is in their court. If they decide, we can resume talk, but if they don't, we can't say anything on that.
Sir, how do you see this surrender from an area commander nonetheless? And also, what was the reason, why did he surrender? Did he give any reasons?
Well, I think, see, there are so many reasons where ultimately he decided to take this way of surrendering. I think you understand, being a young man, sometimes after you think it properly, you sit down maybe alone, you sit at home, or you sit in any place wherever you are. Ultimately, you found out that yes, maybe I have to come back to the mainstream. Because as I said to you, my appeal to all those members of the HNLC, better come back to the mainstream. We are there, government is there to help you out, and we are there. Well, they may think that yes, we have, the moment we come out, we may be booked, we may be arrested. The law is there, but let me tell you one thing, once you come out from the underground activities, you will also at the same time be fully protected. You will also be fully think of how to make sure that your career is again in the mainstream. I think that is very important. Let them understand about it, that we really serious about this, be it from the central government, be it from state government. We would like to see the cadres to come out and not only that, join with us in the mainstream.
We can expect more surrenders in the coming days.
Sorry,
We can expect more surrenders.
I can't say right now anything on that. Okay, yeah.
meghalayapost.news